Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out the Xposed module called Macro Expand, and this is pretty cool. Basically it allows short key sequences, i.e. macros, to be transformed into other, usually more time consuming sequences of keystrokes. For example, you could type the @ symbol followed by num and it would transform into your phone number. It should save you some time and make it a little less effort when typing in things like email addresses or phone numbers multiple times. If we open it up here, you can see some of the macros I already have set. To add one, you press the plus button. It explains to enter your macro, i.e. the shorter version of what you'll type, and it is a good idea to set your macro to something you wouldn't normally type in a normal conversation, otherwise you'll have it expanding all over the place. Just having the word address, for example, would not be a good idea because it would come up too often in normal conversations. So I usually use the @ symbol. You then type what you want that to expand to. So for example, you can see right here my macro is @add, and what it'll expand to is an address. And it should be noted, once you've added them, you do have to reboot the device for them to take effect. Once you've done that, they should work. So we'll open up Hangouts here, we'll type in @num, and you'll see it transfers straight into my phone number. I don't have to type in the whole phone number, which can be a little long-winded. @test is one I did just to mess around with. It transforms into hello YouTube. We can try out the @add, and you can see it transforms into an address. So you don't have to go ahead and type in your whole address, which can take a little bit of time, especially if you're walking around or something like that. We can also use the email macro so we don't have to type in our whole email address. In terms of what apps this works in, well, it works in most of them. For example, Twitter, it works fine. I tested it out in Instagram and it worked fine. It didn't quite work, however, in web views in browsers. What I mean by that is if you go to a website and it's got a search box or an input box for text, it won't work there. Hopefully that'll be rectified by the dev pretty soon, because that would make it awesome and very easy to kind of, fill out forms and things like that. But you can see right here in Twitter it works without a problem. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you how to actually make one. So press the plus and then you have to choose your macro. I always put the @ symbol so that that doesn't normally come up in a conversation that I'd normally type in. You can put any word you want to though, you don't have to use a symbol if you don't want to. And for the expanded message, we'll just go ahead and put test message, press save, and that's it. All you have to do now is reboot your device for it to take effect. And once you boot it back up, you can dive straight into an application and try it out. So we'll type @hello. And it transforms into the expanded test message. So it works without a problem. This module is pretty new, so it is being updated quite frequently. Hopefully they'll be able to sort out that browser problem. But yeah, I've really been enjoying this application. It makes things a little bit simpler, a little bit quicker. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Peace out.